Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Show me.
Hello, Nanu.
Do you notice everyone calls you drums? The translator, in fact, but I didn't appreciate because they are translator.
Yeah, they should,
Everyone calls you
start
drums
appreciating,
because they created trends.
They should
The
start
creator
appreciating.
culture.
Wonke umuntu usothi drums.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, guys. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions, ne? Would you guys be okay with that? Just a couples quiz. Girl, you don't mind? Okay, come closer. Let me know, why are you standing there? Where must I go? Oh, okay, please come this side. All right, sir, to my right, please. Okay, name?
Blessing.
I'm sorry. Blessing.
Yeah.
Okay, and?
Samgelo.
How long have you been with Blessing?
Mangathi ngikhumbula kahle 5 or ngathini kwale madoda isikhathi esinganana
Blessing.
noma 1 year angisakhumbuli
Wow.
zeminyaka ngizibambi kahle ngensisi wami kodwa nje sesiside isikhathi.
Okay, Blessing, how long have you been together? Like 8 or 1 year? 8 months?
1 year.
Oh, 1 year. Still going strong. Okay, what is it that you like about Samgelo?
Kind
Mm-hmm.
ungiphatha kahle and handsome ngibona.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Sam, what is it that you like about Blessing?
Silena sami nje lesistere ngasho ngithi nje ayish sengichaza blind yabona ngiziphethe kahle intombazane right enhloniphayo and nje ngasho nje ngisuhlukile kunamanye amantombazane
Okay.
ngithanda ngayo.
Okay, Sam, explain to me, what is the definition of uziphatha kahle? Intombazane eziphatha kahle yenza nto?
Ayish
Okanye ayenzi ntoni?
ngathini sister wami uBlessing umntana engasho ngithi mangathiwa mhlambe like kumele ngimtholile nanoma kanjani ngeke aza ngitshela izitori angeke ngize ngizwe kuthiwa nanga emaphathini nani isikhathini esiningi ngaphandle kokuthi yena uyangifihlela kangazi.
Okay.
Ngasho nje ukuthi umntana engasho ngithi uphansi kwesandla sabazali kakhulu so iyona into engiyithandayo ngayo.
Okay, so intombi eziphethe kahle ayiyenzi but
Cha ngisho ukuthi ayi.
No, but nje vele
ngokwami.
Yeah,
ngokwami ayi.
Okay. Blessing, do you like how much do you trust Sam on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10. You're not even leaving one for disappointment, girl. Eric, did you bring my energy drink? Sorry, start what? Blessing. Okay. Start. On a scale of 1 to 10?
Manje yokuthemba sister wami eish ngoba yena sengithemba nje
Dlamini is straw. Sorry, Sam. Dlamini, where's my straw? Sorry, Sammy.
Ngendlela ngithemba ngayo yona sister wami nami ngasho ngithi eish ngingamnikeza noma u8 ngishiye sokuphoxa like amantombazana ayaphoxa.
I respect that. I respect you have to.
Shiye noma u2 nje ukuphoxa ayaphoxa namantombazana.
In case. Okay. Blessing, what do you have to say about that?
Hey man.
So you were expecting a 10 as well?
Yeah.
Nah? Okay, it's fine. Guys, what we do on this show now, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? Sam, what's the problem?
Ngisho lutho sister wami akunanext.
Okay, we make couples switch phones. You guys go through each other's WhatsApps. And you guys basically check if you guys are cheating on each other. Whether or not your partner is cheating.
Sister uzobuza ama questions.
I lied.
Sho ukuthi uzothatha
I lied.
exchange ama phone.
I lied. I had to gain your trust.
Shuthi manje usazosihlela lesikhathi kahle kahle njengoba bese thina
So awufuni uswitch ifoni Sam.
ngisho ukuthi angifuni kodwa bese ngisho nje ukuthi ngathi izoba inkinga nje for isikhathi sethu angithi siyazikhipha nomuntu wami samele nje sethu ukuthi beyibheka kancane
Ngasathetha uSam Blessing. Blessing iyathetha indoda yakho nje yamva but animamelanga.
Mina ngimind.
Oh, you don't mind. Blessing doesn't mind.
kodwa ngokwakho uyazi ukuthi kunala siphuthuma
So Sam, are you hiding something on your phone?
cha ngihide lutho kodwa ke it's fine
Let's-
sister
It's fine.
asiyenzi
Okay, phone please. Phones. We'll start with Eka Blessing. Lovey, can I have your password? I just want to have yours. Yo, I could be phone in slow motion. Sam, what's up? Yeah. Okay. It's protecting the camera. In case you never know. Okay, go on her WhatsApp, ne? Go on her WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay. Type love you.
Love you.
Mm-hmm.
Love you.
What are you seeing there?
Mina noma wakhe kanjalo ngibona ngayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nganathi lo.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Means yeah.
Okay.
Hayi kusayimina namanje.
Okay. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Thank you. Thank you. Mina uma wakhe. Amuhelanga ubhuti wakhe angamazi.
Okay, delete that. Why do you keep moving back and I have to keep doing this? Yeah.
Okay, so ngithusa na imic yabo into engazijwayele
Okay, type last night.
last night.
Mm-hmm.
Last night. I mean.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
I'd say. Ayinakhona imina.
Okay, okay. Delete that. Type pregnant. You never know.
Pregnant is a step.
Asas?
Pregnant. I mix this one.
Okay, delete that. Type baby. Don't type baby.
It's not.
Type baby. Yeah.
Ay cha nakhona imina umngani wakhe lo wawubiza umngani wakho baby yokubiza mina kuphela.
That's the friend you...
La umngani wakhe ayintombazana.
Oh, okay. Okay, delete that. Type test.
Test.
Mm.
Test. Ay akuveli lutho ke la.
Okay. Hey, give your woman her phone back, sir. She's clean. Your turn. Dawuyika ke sana lena into zizokwenzeka apha. Because you did not want to give me your phone. Open your phone, Sam.
Besikhona kodwa isidingo sister sokuthi senze le.
Phula phela.
Thank you.
Sengiyabuza nje besikhona yini isidingo
Oh,
sokuthi.
bless. Yeah, blessing ngekho, but blessing wants to.
Kodwa phela uyakhumbula ukuthi kumele sihambe.
Awubheke ivuka. Bese isithatha isikhathi.
I need to open your phone. I'm just checking if you're not going to delete anything. Pattern, passcode, whatever.
Man.
Thank you very much. Hi, Sam. Sana ndiqondi kakuhle. Okay, what's happening? Okay, type love you.
Hayibo.
Oh, Sam already.
Pepe bana re itumetse.
Uritumeza.
Mm.
Man. Akhumbula umngani wami ukuthi ukwafe life yethu.
So,
Asiyazi no bengichaza abangani abaningi.
Sunday.
Ngisho ngizobe ngichaza abangani abaningi manje ulokho njani Ace yamkhumbula. like bekuwafela iphone so kwesinye isikhathi ube nokusebenzisa ifoni yami akhulumele nabantu wakhe hayi uthi yini.
Into yayizolo muso. Nayizolo buyasebenzisa ifoni yakho. Awuphe.
Isho ngithize nomuthi sister yabo tuzenza wona sister. Njengoba ngitshela mfethu ace lo ngicela uzama uku-understand mfethu hayi ukuthi mkhambe kanjani.
Wona nayizolo buyasebenzisa ifoni yakho.
Explain.
Kanti wayimele ngize ngichaze sister what.
Oh. Explain now. Here's your woman. Explain. You know what? It's fine. Do you want to call her to meet? Phone. Udla mina ilokhanga ka kule phone.
Why email phone?
Why not? And this uthi bana uRetumetso is your friend's girlfriend. Utsho wena.
Umngane sister why manje kumele size simfonele manje.
So we want to call her so she can
Wena uzowenzani sister ufona kwakho uzokusiza ngani ngalo?
to confirm. Is uRetumetso gonna say lento? Hi, can I please speak to uRetumetso? Hello? Hi.
Hi.
No, here's Rich.
Hello.
Hello.
URetumetso lo khulumayo.
Yeah.
Yini nawe samkela?
Sabantu wena uba.
Ngumuntu wakhe.
Nami ngumuntu wakhe sothi ngalo.
Hayibo. Uyabona ke songijulisa ngefebe zakho.
How long they've been together?
Ubiza bangathela.
Ye wena, ngicaleni nokujala.
Sina 3 years.
Ngibambeni.
Abona bathi sister
3 years. 3 years. So blessing side chick.
Ngifonela la.
Sister.
Blessing icherry yakhe of 1 year.
Wena unayo umuntu mhlawumbe ngabe uzicala.
Anaye tu.
Futhi bama ngicela sishiye lento phansi.
Siyamjwayela yazi.
Dawuqhala kakubi.
Sishiye lento phansi ukhuluma
Hawu uyamjwayela.
Cela mama.
Uyamjwayela serious. Ungahle hle yimi side chick la. Yimi umakhwapheni.
Makhwapheni. For 1 year.
Lalela mama. Okay.
Do you have anything to say?
Njengamanje sister yabo lento zakho zama mic nananzi ngicika kabi because sintele sizihambela le nomuntu wami wazosivimba.
God Sama did not tell you to cheat.
Uyabona into ubuyenzile oyenzayo njengamanje.
Yeah. Are you done?
Ayikho enye into engathi mhlawumbe ngathi ngiyazama ukukhuluma nje sister. Njengamanje into engathi ngizama ngithi mama cela sishiye lento phansi sister ngicela umele kancane mama ikwakho. Cela sishiye lento phansi. Sami close to me kahle.
Sorry.
Mandon. Blessing. There mama.
Hayi, phelile kahle.
Mina ngicela ungiyeke ngoRetumetso mina.
Ha, lol. Lol.
Yebo kwenzekile vele besikade sithanana naye kodwa ke vele into esibise ingasacacile.
Oh, so bengamyeki ngani?
Eish. Sengakhona ukuthi ngichazele mhlawumbe sesizwa.
Ungamyeki ngani?
Sister ngicela ungimele nawe ngalezi zinto zakho kanti yini kungani lokungicefezela nje ngale
It's fine, you guys can go.
kunje kungenxa.
It's fine, you can go.
Angihambe naye. Uzohamba kwami naye uzohamba esa.
Okay, my skirt.
Uzohamba ngendlela yakhe.
Oh, we understand. Please leave, son.
Akwazi ungishela ngiyacela. Yini ungenaphi ke wena? Mama.
Yes.
Dlamini, it's fine, you can leave him.
Kwenze njani? Ngicela ungiyeke ngikhulumisane naye.
Dlamini, leave him.
Listen mama. Sesingaze sihlukanise abantu esihlangane nabo estradini sihamba siyoyijabulela.
Yo,
Ngizokuhlapa.
Ngiyacela. Cela nje ngixolele.
ufuna ukuqhwatywa ngebaba.
Cha uthi ufuna ukuthatha. Sister ngicela cela ume kancane.
Kahle ayikho into engiyimela ngiyahamba.
Buka blessing.
Kasi mina.
Ngiyacela lana.
Blessing is so pretty. I don't understand the matter of Fernando. I really don't understand amadoda. Afuna ntoni amadoda Dlame? We know beauty is not everything, but really, ke afuna ntoni amadoda? Okay, you're a man. Can you explain to me?
No, mina I can explain what mina I want. Angazi ukuthi uphinde ufunani because mina what I want akusinto efuna uphinde.
Okay.
What phinda once akusinto engiyifunayo. So kuyahlukana.
Okay. So ufuna ntoni wena?
Kuya ngawe wena umuntu wesilisa ukuthi ifunani. Yini oyifunayo?
Ufuna ntoni ke? Wena ke?
Ufunani?
Ufuna ntoni ngaloko?
Yiyo le nto ufunani? Yini oyifunayo? Uyaphi? Ufunani?
And
What exactly do you want?
yes, what is it that you want?
Ufunani?
Exactly.
Yeah,
Ufuna ntoni?
ufunani?
Futsake. Let's wrap, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I really do apologize. My energy levels are very low
Now I
today.
can see.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know what's going on. Yeah.
Today.
Xolo, guys. If the episode is boring because of my energy levels, yeah. Sorry, I apologize. Masivale Dlams.
Ngiyaxolisela nami.
Yo, Ndingumntu.
Uyazi.
Yazi ndingumntu.
Yo. Get crop walking.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _
Instagram ngiyaphinda futhi. Welcome_Dlamini o8 ababili. TikTok it's welcome Dlamini on Facebook. Bafethu family yakho Facebook bafethu ngiyabonga. Welcome Dlamini Facebook. Ngicela niqhubeke ningifollow ngiyabonga. Danko.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.